Hello there, and welcome to Coding in Camera. I'm Mikko from Victory Foundations. Today we'll be watching a short clip from one of my earlier development videos where I'm developing an extension or like more methods for these file operations via extensions that helped us in the development of Optidepy. And when we tested Optidepy, I kind of fixed those bugs around. So this is the clip. I hope you enjoy it. It's not too long. Have fun. We should add like an isEmpty function. Let's just do that right now for fun. And let's go to FileExtensions. This is a file in my Flow module. Very useful module in my opinion. And in this specific file, we add a lot of new functions to the java.nio.Path class, because Java classes obviously don't have Scala syntax, but because we have this very nice feature called like, I don't know, well, one name for it is like pimp my class or pimp my library. But anyway, you can add extensions to classes, so I can add more functions to this path, even though this is like a standard Java class from java.nio.File. I can add more functions to it through this special syntax. All I need to do is to import this object, this FileExtensions object, into my scope, and it'll add these functions to that, make them possible to use, basically. So if you're using Scala, do check this out. This is a really good feature. You should probably know already. Anyway, what kind of functions do we have here? We have blah blah blah. We have lots of files. Sorry, lots of functions. So let's maybe if we add like a isEmpty directory or something like that. Maybe has children would be more. I don't know. isEmpty. Kind of how do we handle regular files? Are they empty? Are they not? I don't know. If you define empty as having children, then or not having children, then yeah, they would be empty. But if they point to a file, then they wouldn't be empty. So I don't know. But that kind of function would be very useful. So maybe we'll add it here. Let's call it actually before we go there. So we can extend the with maybe empty. So this way we'll even get the non-empty function as well. So we have like implemented section here. Yeah, we do. So we implement self and isEmpty. Self is P, I think. That's the wrapped path instance, and isEmpty is, let's say for now that regular files that exist are considered non-empty, but directories are considered empty if they don't have any children. So let's change this to have those two cases. So if is directory, then return iterate children, and this as next, I think. And I don't know, like if we fail to iterate the children, should we? I guess, yeah, we have to, because this is Boolean from the trait, so we cannot return a try something. So just say get or else true, sorry, false. So if something fails to read, it's better to say it's not empty, I guess, hopefully, instead of saying it's empty and then having some files deleted. So else exists, or let's say not exists, which is kind of, I don't know, kind of stupid. But not exists checks checks if the file reading fails, then it kind of it returns false. But here even instead of using notExists, which like really looks stupid, let's just use exists instead. I mean, it's not. I guess we have to do this, but anyway, I'll just add some comments before we forget. So case there you go. But anyway,
what I was about to say is that instead of using this notExists, or kind of, we could modify this exists and notExists. Maybe. Let's see what this does. Okay, well, I thought we could do it, but then we can't. But I was thinking of if the existence couldn't be determined, like it says here, then we could have returned like uncertain Boolean, because I have this uncertain Boolean class which can be true, false, or I don't know, inspired by Schrödinger, whose cat was in the I don't know state of both alive and dead at the same time. So, but because this is like a built-in function, we don't get access to that, so we cannot use the uncertain Boolean here, unfortunately. Anyway, let's get back to the deploy function. Well, we got more problems. Exciting, isn't it? So now it kind of deleted everything. We were so close. Well, I mean, the good side here is that we found a bug, you know? It's better here than in some production environment. So just the bad side is that I have no clue what's going on. Why does it call it empty? Is our isEmpty function wrong? Like, what's going on? Let's check. Maybe we just, oh yeah. Nice if you catch this. Like, oh, I feel so stupid. Like, okay. Now isEmpty. If it's a directory, it returns true if it's not empty. So okay. At least we catched it early. This could have been like really bad. This is why you want to test stuff. I hope you enjoyed watching that. That was a bit of a mess where I stumbled around, and yeah, you really need unit testing there. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any comments, thoughts, ideas, suggestions, feedback, whatever, share it in the comments below. And please consider subscribing if you like this sort of content. And let's keep in touch. See you next time.